Hello, we are doing another video, another YouTube video, and we are in someone else's loft doing train tracks, and we've got some new people. We're at someone else's house. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
And we're doing. Robert. We are doing a race from train tracks. Who's going to be in the race?
Me.
And who's going to be racing Sam? Okay.
I was gonna race him with my pink.
No,
Okay.
that doesn't work.
All right. Right. It's going to be Emily against Sam in the race with the two cars.
The
Trains, and they're going to be doing, should we say, 3 laps each? 2 laps each, okay? So, it's 2 laps around the track.
Not me.
Right, 3, 2, 1, go! It's 2 laps around the track. Sam, which one's whose train?
Sam's green.
Sam's. You need to turn it all the way. You need to turn it all the way, Emily.
It's all the way, it's just slow.
Oh.
Obviously, I get the slow one.
It's 2 laps around the track. Sam's train is winning by miles. Practically. Here comes Emily's train. That's 1 lap for Sam's train. None for Emily's. I know, now 1. I'm filming. Here comes Sam's train. And it's Emily. But now Sam's train's coming into the finish line. And Sam wins. Turn your train off. No, not yours, Emily, not yours. And this is Emily's train coming into the finish. Coming in second. And now you can stop it, Emily. Now you can stop it. Right. Sam wins. Sam is the winner. Sam wins. Sam beats Lily.
I didn't make it go backwards at all.
Yes, you did. Right. Was that a good race? Did everybody enjoy it? Sam is doing the L2. Why are you doing it?